Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to our market. How can I help you today? What can I get for you today?
I'd like some salmon, please.
Sure. Would you like a fillet or a whole fish?
A fillet, please.
These fillets look great. Shall I remove the bones for you?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Anything else today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That'll be $12, please.
Okay, I'll pay with cash. Here you go.
Thank you very much. Here's your salmon and your change.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
You too. Goodbye.